Hello and welcome to the Cryptocurrency News channel. Got some amazing news, at least amazing for Chainlink holders, and it actually has to do with investments. Now, because of the recent pump in Chainlink, 100%, that's right, 100% of Chainlink addresses are in the profit. What that means is the current price of Chainlink is higher than the price of acquisition for all Chainlink addresses. This is quite amazing because that really doesn't happen for any other coin. That means Chainlink has been going up so much, it's recovered from every single dip that every single current Chainlink holder is actually in the profit. There is not a current Chainlink holder that is not in the profit. Will that change tomorrow? Yeah, it could if it dips a little bit, but right now they are all in the profit, which is like freaking amazing. So the recent Chainlink rally has led to some unconventional results. 100% of its supply is in the money or profitable. The metric simply represents a comparison between the asset's current price and the price it was acquired, so buy price versus price now. Every address is in the profit. If the current price is higher, then it is in the money. If it is lower, it is out of the money. If it's the same, then that is at the money. Right now, they're all in the money. So according to intelligence company Into the Block, currently the entire supply of Link token is in the money. So everyone who actually holds Link right now essentially is in the profit. For reference, about 90% of Bitcoin supply is currently in the money, and only about 47% of Litecoin supply. Bitcoin supply obviously is because of the recent pump, and Litecoin supply is because it hasn't really pumped all that much. The question is, how can 100% of addresses be in the money at the same time? This is highly unusual for any asset and is only partly explained by the parabolic rise of the asset. That's like 95% of the explanation. Every trade needs a buyer and a seller, so in theory, some addresses should be at the money. It's possible the price was bid up on exchange without any getting withdrawn to a wallet before the snapshot was taken. That's also true. But it really only is looking at addresses right now, so like people actually holding. So essentially what I think is like, even if you bought like yesterday, you're in the profit. So like either people held long enough to basically wait until they're in the profit, or people just snapped it up very shortly and they went up so fast that everyone's just basically in the profit right now. Chainlink's bull run is easier to explain. It has announced a number of key partnerships, integrations, and milestones. Also, the project just announced a grant program that will be awarding funds to projects that help usher in the era when smart contracts become the dominant form of digital agreement. So I have to say, like, for the last 2 years, Chainlink probably has been the best sort of big project. Well, now it's big, but it was sort of big project that actually for investors, because everyone who bought Chainlink everyone who is still holding Chainlink is basically making money. No one is losing money by holding Chainlink. Now, if you sold that at a low price before, that's kind of your own fault. But you can't really say that for any other coin because Chainlink is fairly young right now. It's like a couple of years old. And you can't say that for Bitcoin because I know some people bought Bitcoin at 20,000. You can't say that for XRP because people bought XRP at above $1. You can't say that for ETH. A lot of people bought ETH when it was around $1,000. You can't say that for VET either because remember when VEN was available, the high was at around 8 or 9 cents. So all of those like have people that are actually losing money, whereas Chainlink, everyone who is actually invested in Chainlink is now in the profit. That is an amazing statistic, and I'm not really sure if it'll be equaled in the future. So awesome news for Chainlink. If you're in Chainlink, congratulations. If you're not in Chainlink, I don't know if I would buy right now, but seems to be doing pretty well recently. So that is the news for today. Like and subscribe and hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.